Hi everybody, I'm Phil Amendolia with LS2 Helmets, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our HH566 half shell. The 566 is one of the most popular helmets in the LS2 lineup, and like all LS2 helmets, you tend to get just a little bit more helmet for your money. It all starts with the shell. LS2 uses our own proprietary tricomposite fiberglass to build our half shells. Fiberglass is a great material for building a half helmet, for building any helmet for that matter, because it does a great job of dispersing energy and spreading out a blow. And also you can build a helmet to be very, very lightweight. The 566 has a very wide connection on the strap. You see this large V here, and that allows it to reach back around behind your head so that in the event of a tumble it's less likely to roll off. We also offer it with this built-in quick release strap system. As I mentioned, it's built in, it's DOT approved, and it's fully adjustable. And the liner, as you can see, is a technical fabric. It's a plush liner, fully removable and washable. We always recommend that you wash it by hand and dry it, let it air dry so that it keeps its shape and lasts a long time. It's treated to resist odor and bacteria. Now, for what might be the most popular feature on this helmet, it's our full Eclipse Drop Down Sunshield. You can imagine how convenient this is when you're out on the highway and the sun is really bright, you're heading west at the end of the day, the sun's right in your face. Very convenient. It covers a lot of area on your face, much lower than you'll typically find in these drop-down sun shields. And obviously that's a good thing so that no matter where you look, for the most part, your eyes are shaded. And because of the shape, for most people, including myself, I can wear this with my prescription glasses on. It clears them quite well. Now, that of course depends on the shape of your head and how big your nose is and such, but it's worth giving it a go for sure. One of the things that I like best about our sun shield is that it's fully replaceable. You start on the side with the tab and just give it a pull. Pop straight out, go to the opposite side and give it a pull. And you can see that we have this little pickle fork type arrangement here, and right there, that hole is where it attaches to the pivot point within the helmet. Now I hope you can see this in this light. I'm wiggling it a little bit right here. Right there, there's a tab. And on the opposite side, the side with the handle, there are two tabs. Now they correspond with tabs that are inside the shell. And on the handle side, as I mentioned, there are two on the shield. There are also two inside the helmet. And they need to go like this when you put them back together. I'd like to be able to show you, but there's no way to get a tight enough shot. So I'm just going to explain it. So when you go to put it back together, you take the side with the handle first, you find those two little tabs, and you want to slide them between these two like this. So line them up, line up the pivot point, and give it a push, and it's in. Then go to the opposite side, and you'll find that this shield is a little bit flexible. You don't want to kink it or bend it too far because it could snap, but you do want to flex it enough to get the tab underneath the helmet tab and give it a push, and you're in. Then you just check it, make sure that it works smoothly. If by any chance it gets hung up, it's not the way that you intended it to be, just pull it out and start over. It's a great feature, makes it super convenient if you want to alter to a different colored sun shield. We offer them also in a high vis and in a light smoke. So the HH566, again, perhaps one of the best values on the market, as with all LS2 helmets. Great fit, super lightweight, fiberglass shell, fully DOT approved. And one other point I want to make, when we test our helmets at our laboratory, we've got an outstanding lab. When we test and we pass DOT, we double check. We send it off to an outside lab here in the United States, and we have them double check it. We put our money where our mouth is. Once they send us the certificate that they agree it's passed DOT, we apply that certificate on our website. If you go to ls2helmets.us, look for the specs tab, you'll be able to see DOT rankings for all of our helmets, so you can be certain that your helmet indeed passes the DOT standard. The HH566, again, one of the most popular helmets in the lineup. I hope you'll find yours at an LS2 dealer near you.